name is Frederick, and unfortunately Greg's not here because he is up north. We are and Greg and I are another name, and our robot's name is Man-Man. And here on this whole map, besides the bridge, there's a little word thing going on, and then a third team over there. Now here's the Brabot. Before he was the Beans bot, and he was over here, but he got captured by the Team Bra, and Team Bra actually convinced him to be there, and he got let out and put it over back on the Beans bot, but then he ran away.
So anyways, this is one of the competitions.
Mac.
There are different competitions that go around. You see the boy that's out there?
And then over here, they were actually, this Team Forest, they were at war for a very long time. And Sir Monkey the Third, he made a little joke about Team Forest because he was on Team Mountain. That was in 1584. And then, he told he told the rest of the Forest team, and they were at war for a year until Sir Monkey the Great came over here in 1585, where he talked and made peace, and eventually he told the Mountain team, and eventually they became united under one team. When one of these teams is down and the other team is very weak, they're gonna pounce with full force. This scene takes place in 1586. So it is clearly not right now.
Oh, okay. So he maybe crossed it out.
Scratch.
And this is mission.
Learn how to make video games.
Let me see.